Hello folks, today we're doing an inspection here and I want to show you, this is a prefab system here, but I wanted to share with you a little bit about how all houses are pretty much built to a certain degree, and that is our footings. But now this is slab. Now this is, we're strictly, so it's not exactly like this on basement homes or something, but this absolutely on slabs. And you see I got my footing right here, and that's what we got. And then we got our bolts right there for our plate, and they'll go right into there and bolted on here. You'll see some of this as we come along through here, and then you see it sitting right up here. So here's my bolts right here, and you can see how it's bolted together, and you can see where we missed over here a little bit, and you can see right here where I guess the guy couldn't see what the hell he was doing. And here you go. What do we got here? Well, see, this is really not a mistake. It's actually another wall. But there you go. And anyway, folks, that's kind of, this is what that looks like right there. I thought you might want to know how the components of the wall and how these work. See right here, now this is my plumbing. See how we got it in? And now they did a good job. They got it all plumbed out here and ready to go. Now you notice the numbers right in here, right? Well, the numbers actually, that kind of helps us tell what walls go where, and they're marked all on these prefab wall systems that we have. And you see we've got a whole system of pre-walls right in through here, and they are, and a whole bunch right in back over here that you can see too, that's already ready to go. Hey folks, thanks for watching our videos. Hit like and subscribe. We greatly appreciate it, and we appreciate any of you pass it on to your friends so they could also get a chance to learn. We try to make a lot of fun with it, and we do appreciate you. Thanks folks, have a great day.